Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to show you this, just picked up off of Amazon. This is the keyless entry system, and it's a universal key fob remote setup for any vehicle. Look at this fucking monster wasp on my mirror. That's a big ass motherfucker. Alright, sorry, I hate them fucking things. Yeah, so this box, it was only it was between $10 and $15 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. It comes with 2 key fobs that already have batteries in them. Very well constructed. These things real solid. I was very surprised at the build quality on these. See if I can get it to focus in on there. Yeah, very well made. Then it has like this leather thing on it on the back with a keychain. But yeah, very surprised about that. The things work really far. I want to say, like, it says 200 feet. I've been inside of a store way in the back and even unlocked the car from way outside, or way inside the store. The original key fobs that I had with this car, they barely worked for anything. You had to stand like right next to the car to lock and unlock it. And these, this one, it's just, for some reason, you single push the lock button, it locks all the doors. If you have to unlock the car with a double tap. And one tap will unlock the driver's door, another tap will unlock all the doors. And then it's just one time to lock it. Which is kind of strange, but at the same time, it works. $10, $15, what can you expect? I've had this thing installed in my car about, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks now. No issues whatsoever. It even comes with this cool LED light right here that you can mount anywhere. I just stuck it up in the window, let people know, hey, I've got an alarm in this car. But yeah, real easy to set up. I think it took me about 20-30 minutes, and I'll show you how I set it up. What you're gonna have down here is a panel. And this panel, I've already got it a little bit off, just so I can show you. But it just pops out, real simple, real simple. And then this is your 12-volt wire. All this is gonna be connected to your wiring harness. I just tucked it in this carpet right here, just to get it out of the way. I'm not gonna do that shit all professional and mount it somewhere. I did go to the tool store and buy some double-sided tape, and I stuck it up on one of these this fuse box thing, but the shit fell off because it's real hot where I live and nothing is gonna stick to anything in the heat. So that was kind of a fail, but not a big deal. So I just tucked it up under the carpet like that. And then this is gonna run to the battery on your car. You just need a constant 12-volt connection. So when they give it to you, it's gonna come with a little bit of wire. You're gonna need to buy some extra wire just to get it ran to your battery. I think they give you enough to get to your ignition, but I don't want to pull the ignition apart. I don't really know where it's at or how to find it. So I just did it the easy way and ran it straight to the battery. And the rest of the wires, the rest of the wiring setup is real simple as well. You're gonna have, this is your ground wire. It's already connected to the car. And all I did was I took, there's these 2 wires in the wiring harness. There's 2 yellow wires and a black wire. And all I did was splice those together, and then I spliced them into the ground wire that's connected to the car, because that's gonna be your ground wire from the wiring harness. And then the other 2 wires that you have to hook up, there's only like a total of 5 wires you have to connect on this vehicle. The other 2 are, there's a white and a black, and then a plain white. And what I did was I ran those to these little tiny wires with connectors on them. Let me see here, the plain white wire is going to go to this brown wire with this connector on it. That's your I'm not 100% sure. I had to move these around a couple times just to figure out which one was the lock and which one was the unlock. But yeah, the white wire is going to go to the brown one, and the black and white wire is going to go to the green one. I spliced above the connectors because I wasn't sure about doing it underneath them, so I don't want to fuck with that and break something. But yeah, everything is hooked up. So there was a few more wires on here. I didn't want to hook them all up. I just wanted to get the car to lock and unlock.